TikTok Shop is revolutionizing the e-commerce world by allowing sellers to list products directly in the TikTok app, making it easy for users to shop without ever leaving their feed. In this video, I'll walk you through everything that you need to know from setting up a Shopify store, creating a TikTok Shop account, linking them, and optimizing your product listing to help you start selling successfully on TikTok. This guide covers everything step by step, so let's go ahead and dive right in. Why sell on TikTok Shop? Purchases today are driven by brands that people love, creators that they trust, and videos that they connect with. TikTok Shop takes advantage of this by allowing creators and businesses to sell products directly in the app, keeping the experience smooth for users and giving businesses an edge with seamless transactions. TikTok's huge reach and its natural, engaging format make it a powerful platform for e-commerce. Now is the perfect time to get started on TikTok Shop. Let's begin by setting up our storefront. So step one, we're gonna set up our Shopify store. So to sell products on TikTok, you first need an online store, and Shopify is a great option for this. Shopify allows you to set up an e-commerce store with ease, and it works seamlessly with TikTok. So sign up with Shopify. Go ahead and head to the description and click on our Shopify link. This link will give you a discounted rate. Your first month for just $1, and the first 3 days are totally free. Once you're on the Shopify page, just enter your email address and click Start Free Trial. So go ahead and just type in your email address here and click Start Free Trial. Create your account. You'll need to set a password to protect your store. So go ahead, just type in any password and click on Create Store. Click Create Shopify Account after setting your password, and Shopify will take a few minutes to build your account. Okay, so after creating your Shopify account, Shopify is just gonna run you through their setup process. So you can go ahead and skip this stuff, or you can go ahead and fill it out. So it's first gonna ask, where would you like to sell? Whether that's an online store, in person at a retail store, in person at events, an existing website or blog, social media, or online marketplaces. We'll go ahead and select social media because it literally has TikTok right there in the description. So go ahead and select that and click next. Then it's gonna ask what best describes you, whether you're just starting out or if you're already selling online or in person. And we'll go ahead and click I'm just starting. Next, it's gonna ask what you wanna sell, whether that's products you buy or make yourself, digital products, dropshipping products, services, print on demand products, or you can decide later. For this example, I'm gonna go ahead and select dropshipping products, and later on I'll show you how you can use Zendrop to go ahead and fulfill your own products. So go ahead and select that box and click Get Started. Then it's just gonna ask what Shopify plan you wanna get started with. After your 3-day trial, we'll go ahead and select the basic for now. So after those steps, Shopify will take you through a setup guide to make sure that your store is configured correctly. So as we come here to the dashboard, once we go ahead and create our account, we can see that there are 11 steps here in this setup guide. Now you can either go through that or just follow along with this video. All right, step 2, customize your Shopify store. So once you have your Shopify store set up, it's time to add the details that make it look professional and attractive to buyers. So first things first, we're gonna add a product. Shopify is gonna prompt you to add a product. So you can go ahead and just click add product and fill out the necessary details like product title, description, price, and inventory. Don't forget to add high quality images of the product or a sample image to get started. So to do that, we'll come over here to products on the left-hand side and click on that. And here we can go ahead and click on add product. So for this, we'll go ahead and just create a demo product. You can go ahead and type your description right here. You can format that however you'd like. And this is where you can go ahead and upload media as well. Down below, you can go ahead and set your pricing, cost per item. And what's really cool about Shopify is it will go ahead and calculate your profit for you. And if you're selling physical products, you can go ahead and use Shopify to go ahead and track your quantity. And it also takes care of things like shipping, that sort of thing as well. So we're not gonna go through setting up an actual product, but this is where you go ahead and can add products manually to Shopify. After this, we're gonna go ahead and click save. Next, choose a theme. So Shopify offers many customizable themes, both free and paid. I recommend that you pick a theme that represents your brand's style, and then use Shopify's drag and drop tools to adjust colors, fonts, and layouts. So managing your theme on Shopify is super easy. All we need to do is come over here to online store, and then we're gonna wanna click on themes here. So right now we have the Dawn theme selected, which is a very customizable theme. And to do that, we'll go ahead and click on customize right here. And Shopify makes it super easy to go ahead and customize your entire store. So we have other videos on the channel that you can go ahead and watch on how to design your Shopify store. But using it is super easy. It is just a drag and drop builder. You can go ahead and manage every page from your Shopify store right here. Set up key store details. So be sure to name your store, add your shipping information, and configure tax and payment options. Shopify's setup guide is super straightforward and will walk you through each of these steps. settings. But to go ahead and find those settings, just come down here to the bottom left-hand corner, click on settings, and this is where you can go ahead and configure all of those settings. Step 3, create your TikTok shop account. With your Shopify store now customized, up and running, you're ready to create a TikTok shop account. Sign up for TikTok Shop. So go ahead and use the link down in the description to access TikTok Shop's sign up page. Just enter the email address that you'll use for your store and follow the prompts to verify your email. Okay, so once you go ahead and fill out an email and a password, you'll be brought to this page right here. Next, you just need to fill out your seller profile. TikTok will ask for essential information like your business type. You can choose between individual, sole proprietorship, corporation, or partnership. Beginners often select individual. So we'll go ahead and select individual and click next. Identification. TikTok requires ID verification. This can be a passport or driver's license, and it's used to verify your identity for security purposes. Complete your tax information. TikTok will require your tax details, such as a W-9 form if you're in the US. Input your name, address, and either your social security or tax ID number. Once you've completed these steps, TikTok might take up to 24 hours to approve your account. Once approved, you can move to the next stage, connecting TikTok Shop to your Shopify store. Step 4, link your Shopify store with TikTok Shop. With both accounts set up, let's go ahead and integrate TikTok Shop with your Shopify store so that you can manage your products and sales easily. Connect TikTok to Shopify. In the TikTok Shop Seller Center, find the selection labeled Connect Your Shop. TikTok will prompt you to link to an e-commerce platform, and here you're going to go ahead and choose Shopify. Next, we're going to install the TikTok app on Shopify. Go to Apps in your Shopify dashboard and search for TikTok. Install the app and follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. So up here in the top, we can go ahead and just search for TikTok, and we'll go ahead and click Install, and click Install again. Confirm data sharing preferences. During setup, Shopify will ask about data sharing preferences. Choose maximum data sharing to let TikTok gather essential insights for audience targeting. Now you're ready to start listing products and selling directly through TikTok. Step 5, add and optimize your products. Now it's time to get your products ready for TikTok Shop. Optimizing these listings can make a huge difference in getting users to convert. Product descriptions and photos. For each product, you want to write clear descriptions that highlight key features and benefits. Make sure to use high quality images or videos to showcase your product. TikTok Shop lets you upload multiple images, so take advantage of this to show the product from a few different angles. Pricing and inventory. Set your prices competitively based on market research, and update your inventory accurately to avoid issues with overselling, which could affect your shop's credibility. Use the product optimizer. TikTok's product optimizer tool suggests tweaks to your listings that can increase visibility. This could include adding specific keywords to titles and descriptions, or choosing popular styles for photos. Step 6, market your products on TikTok. To make the most of TikTok Shop, take advantage of TikTok's unique marketing features, which are designed to maximize visibility. Shoppable videos. Shoppable videos let you tag products directly in your TikTok posts. Make videos showing your product in action, demonstrate its uses, or show how it fits into your lifestyle. When viewers see it in context, they're more likely to want it for themselves. Go live to sell. TikTok's live streaming feature is a fantastic way to engage viewers in real time, answer questions, and showcase product details up close. Host a live stream to demonstrate the product, interact with potential customers, and give them a sense of the brand behind the product. This can build trust and encourage immediate purchases. Run TikTok ads. TikTok ads can expand your search significantly. Start by experimenting with a few low-cost ads to see what works, then increase your budget for top-performing ads. TikTok frequently offers ad credits to new sellers, which is a great opportunity to try this out risk-free. Step 7, leverage TikTok's affiliate marketing. An effective way to reach more customers is to partner with TikTok influencers or other creators. Set up an affiliate program. Go to the affiliate section in the Seller Center. Here you can create partnerships with TikTok creators who earn a commission each time they help sell your product. Open and targeted collaborations. Use open collaboration to allow any creator to join your program, or targeted collaboration to reach out to specific influencers. To attract affiliates, set a competitive commission rate that motivates them to promote your products. Monitor affiliate performance. You want to regularly review affiliate performance in the Analytics tab. Identify your top performers and consider increasing their commission rate or providing other incentives. Step 8, monitor your shop's performance. Analytics are essential for optimizing your TikTok shop over time. TikTok's analytics provide insights on what's working and where you can improve. Review analytics. Use the analytics section to track daily sales, conversion rates, and audience engagement. Check for trends and adjust your marketing or product listings to boost performance. Track shop health. In the shop health section, TikTok tracks things like response rate, dispatch times, and customer satisfaction. Maintaining high standards here can increase your shop's ranking on TikTok, giving you better exposure. Manage finances. In finances, you'll find a summary of sales, payments, and fees. TikTok pays out after the product is delivered to the customer, so keep this in mind as you manage cash flow. Step 9, scale your TikTok shop. As your store grows, you can scale by expanding your product offerings, launching promotions, and building a community around your brand. Add new products. Regularly update your catalog with new products. Keep an eye on trending products in your niche to meet customer demand. Offer promotions. Seasonal discounts, free shipping, or flash sales can draw new customers in. Use TikTok Shop's promotion features to set these up and get more eyes on your products. And build a community. TikTok rewards engagement, so respond to comments, interact with followers, and create content that resonates with your audience. Consider using a branded hashtag to increase visibility and customer loyalty. Step 10, import products with Zendrop. Once your Shopify and TikTok Shop accounts are set up, you'll need to add products to start selling. And one of the best ways to do this is by using Zendrop, which is a reliable dropshipping platform that offers a range of products that you can easily import to your Shopify store. Zendrop is particularly popular for dropshipping as it handles the sourcing, packaging, and shipping for you, so you can focus on marketing and sales. Now, by clicking the link down in the description, you can go ahead and get 50% off your first month. You get an e-commerce course so that you know exactly what to do. You get automatic fulfillment for hands-free deliveries, live weekly coaching for expert help, and you get $200 in order credits, which is basically like free money. Now, why use Zendrop? Zendrop streamlines product sourcing, helping you find winning products without needing to handle inventory yourself. And this is perfect for TikTok Shop. Now, some of the key benefits include wide product selection. So Zendrop offers a vast catalog across categories like electronics, beauty, fashion, and home goods. They also have really fast shipping. Products sourced from Zendrop often ship faster than typical overseas suppliers, which keeps your customers happy and reduces potential issues. They also have automated fulfillment. So Zendrop handles order fulfillment automatically, syncing with Shopify so that you don't need to worry about tracking every order. That wraps up our guide on setting up and optimizing your TikTok shop. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to building a successful presence on TikTok's new e-commerce platform. Remember, consistency in content and engagement is key. Now, if you want to get started with any of the products that we talked about today, TikTok Shop, Shopify, and Zendrop, you'll find links for all of them down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue making free content just like this. So if you end up using those links, we thank you so much in advance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we're dedicated to helping you succeed with e-commerce, providing tips, strategies, and insights to help grow your online business. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.